Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You begin by preparing only what you need. Install a code editor and create index. HTML plus style. CSS in one project folder. Next, write a minimal boilerplate so the page renders predictably across browsers. Once done, add semantic HTML elements, header, nav, main, footer, so structure is clear. Then link your style sheet with a rel attribute and check the page in a browser. This early discipline prevents messy rewrites and makes styling predictable as you build components. You now translate structure into layout. Pick Flexbox for linear components and Grid for complex two-dimensional layouts because each solves different problems efficiently. Start mobile first. Write base rules for small screens, then add min-width breakpoints at 600px and 900px so styles cascade upward. Once done, normalize spacing with variables and consistent units. Use rem for typography and % or fr for layout. Make sure to test at multiple widths and iterate until spacing, alignment, and flow feel natural on common devices. You finish by polishing visuals and ensuring accessibility. Define CSS variables for color and spacing, create a predictable typographic scale, and confirm contrast ratios. Then test thoroughly, use browser DevTools to emulate devices, run Lighthouse for performance, and check keyboard and screen reader behavior. If layout breaks, isolate the offending rule in DevTools and toggle styles to find the cause. If needed, revert to a known good commit. One key tip: avoid sprinkling. Important, use it only when you
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.